Hearing aids are made with materials that are moisture resistant and water resistant, though they are still an electronic, so moisture and humidity and things like that can still cause damage over time. So if you're noticing that your hearing aid is sounding off or cutting in and out, things just aren't as clear, it could be because of moisture damage. And this is also a good thing to have if you do live in a more humid environment. So what you can do is buy what we call a dry aid kit or a desiccant, and they usually come with these packs of beads. These ones are orange, other kits might have ones that are blue, for example. So what you're going to do is take this pack of beads, you're going to drop it in this side up, and then you'll have a second cup with a screen on the bottom, and you're going to put that in. And then you'll take your hearing aids. You want to open up that battery door and you can pull the battery out. And then you can just put the hearing aids in and close it up and just leave them overnight. Now, these usually last about 4 months or so, but you'll start to notice that over time the beads will change color. For example, the orange ones will turn green when they need to be reactivated, and the blue ones turn a white color and just fade. So to reactivate them, most of them you can just put in the microwave. Now you only want to put the pack of beads in there, nothing else. So you'll put the pack of beads in for 30 seconds in the microwave, take it out and let it cool for about 20 minutes, and you should be set to use your dry aid kit again.